I've mentioned about failure to prevent misuse and fraudulent manipulation of archival documents contributing to spate of land fraud cases in Goa where original records are tampered or replaced with. आम्ही पळयलां की 1950 and 1951 चे documents, mostly these documents, are the ones which are supposed to be, because books are missing there, or pages are missing from those books. Sogle record create kotate of 1950 and 51. And I think the government must come out clearly to specify those books and the pages which are missing. And warn the sub-registrars. Because sale deeds, succession deeds, everything is being made in those years. In the archives, I will just inform Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Minister also, any book under the Portuguese system had an index at the back. And the index is not in the front, it is at the back, index astalo. So on that index, if you had say 70 entries, it means there are only 70 documents which are registered, because every document was written. If you don't find it amongst the 70, that means this document is replaced, misplaced or tempered. Or it is sought to be inserted. So please understand this. There are people who have got stamps, fake stamps of the archives department, and they have good handwriting. I suspect some ex-employees of the department who are helping in fabricating documents to create records. So this, I think the government has to take a strict action. I will also give Honorable Minister, I will give to you certain names which have come into my knowledge, which we believe are masterminds to do these kind of frauds, who we believe have got these seals and who are also experts in this handwriting. You can work on it and you can make sure that if you nab these people, I think this racket will stop. But I also say one thing, send a warning to the departments, wherever these books you have noted are tempered or suspected, ask them to make a reference to you when you are registering the documents on that aspect.